everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and today we are talking project life and album update. I'm going to show you guys what I got done for the month of February, and we are moving into March now. I'm going to try to get this last week here done this week, and you can see I've got a couple of gaps. So these are the spreads that are done. The check mark is completed, and then just the dot needs to be completed. So I've got 1 week of project life randomly. I don't know what happened here, but it is randomly not done right there. And then this week I'm still working on, so I feel like I kept up with the project life pretty well most of the time. And then over here, I end up not finishing a couple of layouts. So I have a photo of Olivia in her dance team jacket, and she did a splits, basically like held her leg up in the air, the dance splits, I don't know what it's called. And so I've got to come up with a title for that one. I just need to get that one made. And then we have a lot of photos of them making slime last week. And then this week I will do her birthday spread. I guess technically this Friday I'm supposed to do this one. So I'm 2 weeks behind on this, 1 week behind on project life, but overall I feel like I did really well. Totally got behind. There were lots of like busy weekends. We ended up going to Dallas one weekend, and I feel like I never recovered from that point on. Like Friday I couldn't do my scrapbook page because we were gone, like physically gone. So I couldn't do it. I didn't plan ahead and do it early, and it totally threw me off, but I am still sticking with it. I thought about how much I was going to catch up with 2019. Totally didn't happen. I'm really just trying to stick with basics and try my best to stick with this album. So I've already shown like my basic setup here. I'll have the title page, the week 1. Here's the week 1 scrapbook page, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5 was the last one on here that is done. And this is the Mommy and Me date page. I wrote a lot of journaling on this, used some older little things, made it very floral, and I really liked this one. And then I have to put in the Dance Project Life spread is done. It was our dance weekend. I just made a whole Project Life spread, did a lot of journaling on that. It is done, but I have to actually print that one. So I actually should mark that in some way to signify I'm going to have to print that one. I don't know what to do next to this one. Maybe an extra like dot right here to draw attention to it, because it also has to get printed. And I did this so that I could go through as I'm like adding them to my cart and make sure that they're actually on the list to print. So that is what it looks like here, and that's what it looks like here. I feel like, again, totally got a little bit behind, got a little bit off track, but I'm still chugging along, and I feel like that's a doable amount. Like I can sit down in one scrapbook session and knock out 2 layouts, and then next week's scrapbook session I can knock out 2 layouts and then totally be caught up again. I've just taken a few weeks off of it and still doing my project life every day. I go through photos, I either sort photos, add some journaling to the photos, add them to the Project Life app. I feel like I'm always doing a little bit of nightly project lifing. It just happens to be I missed this week. Like this one's not done. There's like 1 photo that's done. The photos are favorited, but they're not actually edited or journaled or anything, so I've got to go back and finish that one. But this one's well on its way, so I feel good about that. And this maps out, I don't know if I've shown this before, this maps out the whole year up to week 52 there. I just wrote the dates in through August, and then when I flip over here I'll write the dates in for the next one. And I just dotted up to where I was, but I guess I can go ahead and dot up through the end of March here. So this would be the end of March. Just 2 rows of dots, and my rows are not even. That one's like totally wonky and off, but oh well, it looks good. There are my weeks, and that is it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick look at everything. It's not a whole lot of excitement, but it shows you guys my system and how it's been working so far so good. I feel like I've kept up with it better than in previous years, and this is like the make or break time for me where I really lose momentum. So I'm still feeling very energized and very excited about it. So I will stick with it through March and give you guys a March update, and I will try to have weekly Wednesday videos for you guys every week of March, so be looking for that. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.